This is a Bagsmart Camera Backpack. This is meant to be used as one of the most convenient means to travel around with your camera, gear and other equipment for shooting and all that. This bag is quite innovative and impressive, and especially considering the fact that it is waterproof and can handle a lot of load, as well as even fit your laptop, especially a 15 inches laptop in this bag. Let's see what this bag is and all that it contains. This bag comes in 4 specific colors. So we have black, we have khaki, which I have over here, light blue, and then ivory water. So these are the colors that you're going to find, and this is really a premium build bag, waterproof. So if you feel it, if you look at the texture and the value of the material that was used in building this bag, you can see that this is really built incredibly well. And it has this kind of a lot of compartments around this bag, so many areas, so many things that you can do with this. It is also a modular bag. That means that you can decide to repurpose this bag to become what you really want it to be for you. So let's look at the specification that comes with this bag. So this bag has a weight of 1.4 kilogram. So when you hold it like this, you can see that it has a bit of a heft or weight to it. So this bag has 1.4 kilogram, and then it has a load bearing. That means that the amount of capacity of load that you can put into this bag is about 12 kilogram, and then it is water resistant. And so when you are walking and it's raining or anything like that, you don't need to be worried about this Bagsmart bag. The bag also here has foamy kind of back, which means that when you wear it for a longer period of time, you are not going to feel a lot of heat coming into your skin or absorb into your skin. So the tripod side is this side, which you can see over here. On this side, you have this kind of pocket over here, which you can put your bottle in it. And this bag is not just meant for your camera and other equipment just alone. It's also meant to be more like a travel bag. So for example, if you're a photographer, videographer, filmmaker, or anything like content developer, or anything like that, if you're traveling, once you have your items in it, probably you want to carry along with a few clothing and other accessories and all that, your personal items. So when you open the top over here, you can see that you have this storage section over here. So the storage section is here, and once you open it, you can see that it has enough space for you to be able to fit your items in it. You have side pockets with it. So you have this pocket over here, area over here, which you can put some things in it, which also comes with the camera bag instructions as what you should do with it. It's a DIY bag, and so you can build it into any kind of character that you want the bag to be. This bag is 11.5 in length, and then 7 width, and then the height is 17.3. So it means that this bag is not all that huge. Put this bag in such a way that you can have so many accessories and elements built into this bag. So now let's open the section area, which allows you to be able to customize this bag and modify it as a DIY, as it says. When you open it like this is the inner part that has the camera section. So the camera section here, you can see that you have this kind of pieces built into it, and that makes it modular. This means that you can be able to strap this or put this together and fix it to become the way in which you want your camera to be positioned. I built it in such a way that we want this side pocket over here to be one that we can easily slide our camera in, so that it can be easy for us to be on the go when we want to shoot. And the first build, we take this side and build this component over here. Now we are done with it. Section, which we would also want to use this part. So let's use this part and build the section 2. Decide to put one here and separate one part of this bag. And then we've divided this section into 2 parts. Different accessories, you can easily fit them into this space. Divide this one into 2. Looking really easy to do. It looks very easy to do. So it doesn't mean that you should fix it the way I have done. It can be fixed at any kind of your own discretion, how you want your bag to be divided into sections. And strap this one over here, this and this across this. This is very highly innovative, so you can build your bag in the way that you want. Let's get some of our accessories, cameras, packages and all that and fix them into this bag. Go to the side pocket. We are putting the Canon R6 Mark II with a 24 to 105 millimeters lens. We put that one here, which is mostly going to be our go-to lens and camera. We put our GoPro Hero 12 Black inside this small section or area. Then we also pick our 16mm f2.8 lens and put it here. Then our Bocalicious, the Canon RF 50mm f1.8 lens, we also put it here in this very side. So now you can see our bag is going really great. It looks really beautiful and nice and smooth. Then we have to look for other accessories, so we can put our batteries over here. Then we can also add our microphones to it and put it at this side. Then we can put our Rode microphone here. Then the next thing to do is look for a space to put our monitor. So our on-camera monitor, we find a space within our bag to position it. You can place it here, and then we can put the arm also here. Then finally we can put the cable in addition to the monitor. This is the Bagsmart bag. Mirrors, camera, your accessories and everything. If you're a traveler, if you're a photographer, if you're a filmmaker, this bag is going to give you a great level of organization for you to properly organize your items and your things for your shoots, for your locations and all that. Now you put all your things here, and then you can decide to close your bag. So close it, very easy and simple. Now you have your bag here. Bag also has a section where you can place your laptop or any other accessory that you want. For this demonstration, we are not going to use our laptop. We are using our Samsung Galaxy tablet. We place it there nicely. We are left with one item. Let's just add our tripod to this bag. There you go. So once you are done, you put a strap over here and tighten it up just a little bit. Here you go. So you have your bag, your tripod, your camera and accessories, your laptop in this bag. And so we are saying that 12 kg should be the highest of volume of weight that you can carry. Now I can feel that it's a bit of heftiness to it, and that's really great. So once you have this, you strap it at your back and you are good to go. It's a review experience of the Bagsmart backpack, which is meant for videographers, photographers, filmmakers who are on the go and need a bag that can be multi-purpose and use a lot of multiple layers with it, and also modular in such a way that you can build it on your own and have this to travel on the go. This is ABEiiKU, and thanks for watching this video. If you have not already subscribed, please do. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.